Hey guys, welcome back. This is Brian. Just wanted to give you an update on that wetland project we talked about. We're installing the wood duck boxes. You're going to see a couple videos here to follow, some drone footage. The first one is just a view from what the wetland looks like right now with the ice all melted off. And then you're going to see that out back we did shoot some grade. And we put out some orange flags to mark our new elevation for the wetland enhancement we want to do. And you couldn't see that very clearly in the drone footage. So kind of in the mud, we ran the disc and made a perimeter line. We put the drone back up and you can now appreciate the scope and the size of the scale of the excavation we want to do for the project.